Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks Part 4. Somebody stop me. This is too much fun and little short video. You've already made this in parts 2 and 3. And this is cool because it's so easy. So all I did was take that blue one I had earlier tonight. Let's move this out of the way. And I made it 12 inches by 12 inches. And then just pick your nudge. I picked a nudge of 11.9. So it'll overhang. And all you have to do is, it's overhanging just in the middle, just about perfect. You know, you could probably make it perfect, but I think it looks better like that, or maybe. And then control, I'm not going to do as many this time. I'm going to do 3 by 3. And then when you weld this, see all the lines that are connected or overlap? Weld on some of that will weld really good and it's done. And then just take it and make it yellow. You could smart fill it, take away the outline, bring a black box in, and bam, that quick. And I don't know. I like it. I do promise this is the last one on this series, but have some fun and play around with Corel Draw. Anyway, hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.